If you have a little tear or just need to put your hem up, you can use this Invisible Mending. It's a double-sided glue. Stick your fabrics together, perfect results. If I pull back the paper, that is a sheet of glue, so it's double-sided glue. So to repair a patch or a tear, if you've got a little tear in your fabric, you cut a piece of the paper-backed glue and cut it so that it's the size you need to cover your patch, leaving the paper in place. I'm just going to press that there, and then I'm going to cover it with a press cloth so I can press it for a bit longer and a bit harder. Now I know it's in the right place. Press it for about 10 seconds. Let it cool, and then when it's cooled down, peel off the paper, and you can see the tear is repaired and the sheen that's there is still the other side of the glue. So now I've cut a little patch of fabric which is the same colour, put it over, make sure the patch is the same size or even slightly bigger than your patch of the invisible repairer. Again, I'm going to cover it with a press cloth and press that in place. Once it's firmly pressed in place, about 10 seconds again, leave it to cool for at least 10 minutes, and then having done that, it's ready to be washed and worn or whatever. So that's the little tear repaired. But you can also use it to take up hems. So again, I have a piece that I've got ready, and I can actually peel away the paper backing. So I can either do it in 2 stages, take off the paper backing, I'm left with the translucent film. So I could have actually fused that in place to the hem allowance, this bit here, and then turned the hem up, or I'm going to do it all in one go. So I put the translucent film, so that's glue both sides, within the hem allowance, fold that hem allowance back up, cover it with a press cloth and press in place. For my press cloth I'm using a piece of silk organza, but an old sheet or tea towel is just as good. So again, if you leave that to cool for 10 minutes, you've got a nice crisply turned hem.